Josh was itching to get out of that side of the business. And once we brought Joey on, sales exploded again. So we're like, hey, need more people. And knowing Josh that he wanted to get out of the Kalen side of the business, we're like, man, we should get that guy. And so thankfully, he heard us out. And how did that happen? Who came to you and said, hey, you should join the Actigel team?
Bob. Yeah, I think it was a little bit of a combination of Bob making me aware of the job and then me coming to Bob because the job was posted on the website and made available to the public or whatever. I was made aware that the job posting even existed. I was made aware that the job posting even existed. So then I came to Bob, and I think we both kind of came to the conclusion at the same time that I would be, good for the position. But yeah, to your point, I was ready to make a change for sure to get away from the clay sales side of the business because unlike you two concrete slump monkeys, I already had sales experience, and that was pretty much the first the first element of many as to how I kind of differentiated from you guys because where I had the sales experience that you didn't have, you had the concrete knowledge that I didn't have. So between the three of us, we kind of meshed pretty well. And I took the NRMCA short course, and I learned concrete trial by fire by going out on job sites with Joey and Paul and Bob and everybody else, and made a lot of presentations about stuff I didn't have a full understanding of the time, but I battled through and I answered questions and gosh, it's crazy to think that was a little almost 8 years ago when I made the switch over to the concrete side from the clay side. But so with that, I had knowledge of the Actigel product because we were messing with it with some paints and some joint tape compound, drywall mud, and some other applications where we were trying to use it to um, replace some other thixotropic products, such as attapulgite. Our issue there was when you replaced those products, you were left with a void because the dosage rate was a lot more concentrated. So it was one of those very, very long sales processes where you were trying to talk a company into reformulating everything they had, and it was tough.